Joe Carducci here, 2019 Summer NAMM, Nashville, Tennessee. Gretsch Guitars is so proud to present to you this NAMM, truly a Nashville gentleman, Steve Wairner, signature model guitar. Those who have seen and witnesses Steve's performances, the guy's a phenomenal guitar player, and of course is one of the 5 people that Chet Atkins himself certified as a CGP, or in other words, a certified guitar player. Beautiful instrument, 16-inch bout, Nashville-style Gretsch guitar with a 25.5-inch scale neck, locking tuners, brass nut, mother of pearl thumbnail inlays, which are very traditional for Gretsch guitars. It's got a true arc rocking bar bridge. It's got a sealed top, so he likes the look of the sound holes, but it's sealed. And it's 3-ply maple, top, back, and sides, with trestle bracing inside that tightens up and synchronizes the top and the back of the guitar for maximum tone. Bigsby tailpiece, string through Bigsby, makes it easier to change your strings, whether you're at a gig or when you're getting ready to restring your guitar for your next show. He calls the finish magic black. From a distance, the guitar just looks black, but if you look closely, when the lights hit it, it's got a silver sparkle to it. It's a really gorgeous guitar. He likes things simple, so he just wanted the 3-position pickup selector switch, the traditional Gretsch master volume in the lower bout here, master tone control, but underneath the hood here, it's a push-pull control that turns the pickups, both pickups, from dual coil to single coil for that Nashville twang type sound. These are the TV Jones Duotron pickups. You notice it's half blade on the treble side with the screw type pickup pole pieces. And of course for this, we're doing string bends in the upper register of the guitar. It minimizes any kind of dropout when you as you pull the strings, because of the bar there and the magnetic pull for those strings. Anyway, with the signpost that says Steve Wairner, this is the Nashville Gentleman Guitar we're introducing here in Nashville NAMM 2019. Thanks for watching.